If this is you, then you don't want to use a transfer on death deed. All right, so transfer on death deeds, if you don't know, are actually really, really great tools for probate avoidance if you own real estate in a state where transfer on death deeds are allowed. Washington is one of them, California is one of them. There's many, many other states that allow transfer on death deeds. And you might think to yourself, well, that's great. I will use it and everything will be great. Not so fast, my friend. So when you have multiple beneficiaries and or two beneficiaries that do not get along, transfer on death deed is often not a great choice. Here's why. When you execute the transfer on death deed and then die, the property is transferred immediately and sort of automatically to the people that you name equally. So if you have two people, each person gets a 50% share. If you have three, they each get a third. If you have four, they each get a fourth, and on and on and on. Now, if everyone is in agreement on what to do with the property, it's all good, no problem. So even if you have multiple people, if they all want to do the same thing, then you may want to consider a transfer on death deed. If they do not agree, if they do not get along, if they don't communicate, then a transfer on death deed is probably not the best option because it's most likely going to result in some litigation, in some court action in the future, certainly just in some fighting, in some contention, in some fracas. But we don't want to do that. So transfer on death deeds are great tools if everybody's getting along and you have a limited number of beneficiaries. If you're not sure, go talk to somebody, talk a lawyer, obviously, and get it done right. That's it. See ya.